Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Morning students. Today we are going to discuss about numbers and sequence exercise 2.7 sums. First sum, which of the following sequences are in GP? So first one 3, 9, 27, 81. Here how will you find the common ratio? First number T1, second number T2, third one T3 and fourth one T4. So our rule is R equal to, R means common ratio, R equal to T2 by T1. That is equal to T3 by T2 means that sequence is in GP. So we will check it. So here T2 is 9 and T1 is 3. So 9 by 3, 3. If you cancel 1, 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. And T3 by T2 means T3 is 27 by 9. That also we cancel, we get it 3. So 3 equal to 3, that is it is a G. Next sum 4, 44, 444, 4444. So here R equal to T2 by T1. 44 by 4, if you cancel you get it 11. And T3 by T2 444 by 44 equal to 111 by 11. That is 11 is not equal to 111 by 11. Therefore, that sum is not a GP. Third one 0.5, 0.05, 0.005. So here T2 by T1, that is 0.05 by 0.5. So if it is point after 2 digits means you have to multiply by 100, you get the whole number. So here that multiply by 100 means that point moves to the right side, so that whole number is 5. Here you see denominator also you divide by 100 only. So here only one digit means 5 after 1 0, so 50. So cancel it, 1 5 is 5, 10 5s are 50. So that answer is 1 by 10. Next T3 by T2, that is 0.05 by 0.05. So here point after 3 decimals, so you multiply by 1000, that a point moves to the right 3 digits and get the whole number 5. And 1000 divide means here point moves to the right 3, here 2 digit only, so you put it 0, so we get it 50. So here also you get it 1 by 10. So ratios are same only, so that is it is a GP. Next question 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 12. T2 by T1, that is 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. So the 3 will move to the numerator. So 1 by 6 into 3 by 1. So cancel it, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 by 2 is the answer. Next T3 by T2 means 1 by 12 by 1 by 6. So 6 move to the numerator. So 1 by 12 into 6 by 1. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12, 1 by 2. So the ratios are common. Ratios are same. So therefore it is a GP. Fifth question 1, minus 5, 25, minus 125. We have to find out whether it is a GP or not. Here also the same rule, T2 by T1, minus 5 by 1, minus 5. And T3 by T2, 25 by minus 5 also you cancel it. 5 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 5 only, therefore it is a GP. Next question 120, 60, 30, 18, that is 60 by 120 equal to 30 by 60 equal to 18 by 30. So here you see 60 by 120 means 1 by 2. Here also we will get 1 by 2. But here you see 3 6 are 18 and 5 6 are 30. So that is not equal. Therefore it is not a GP. Next question 16, 4, 1, 1 by 4. So T2 R equal to T2 by T1, that is 4 by 16. We get it 1 4 is 4 and 4 4s are 16, 1 by 4. T3 by T2 also here you see 1 by 4. And T4 by T3 1 by 4 by 1. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 only. Therefore it is a GP. Write the first three terms of the GP whose first term and the common ratio are given below. So here first term given A equal to 6 and common ratio R equal to 3. So we use this formula Tn equal to A R to the power n minus 1. A R to the power, first we have to find first three term. So n equal to 1, if we substitute 1 minus 1, A R to the power 0. Any number to the power 0, that is R to the power 0 equal to 1 only. So given A is 6. So 6 into 1 equal to 6. Next T2 equal to A R to the power 2 minus 1. A is 6. R second term. So 2 minus 1 R to the power 1. R is here 3. So 6 into 3 18. T3 equal to A R to the power 3 minus 1. A is 6. R to the power 3 minus 1 means R squared, that is 3 squared, that is 9. 6 into 9 equal to 54. Therefore the three terms are 6, 18, 54. Second question, A equal to root 2, R equal to root 2. Here also we use the same formula Tn equal to A R to the power n minus 1. So you substitute n equal to 1, A R to the power 1 minus 1, A R to the power 0, that is 1, R to the power 0 equal to 1. A is root 2, therefore root 2 into 1 equal to root 2. T2 equal to A R to the power 2 minus 1, that is nothing but A R to the power 1. A is root 2, R is also root 2. Root 2 into root 2 equal to 2 only. So here you see 2 to the power half into, that is root 2, 2 to the power half. So this is nothing but A to the power m into A to the power n equal to A to the power m plus 1, that is 2 to the power half plus half. That is half plus half is 1, 2 to the power 1 equal to 2 only. Next question, next T3 equal to A R to the power 3 minus 1 A R squared. So A is root 2, R squared is root 2 squared already 2. So 2 root 2 is the answer. Therefore the three terms are root 2, 2, 2 root 2. Third one, A equal to 1000, R equal to 2 by 5. We have to find first three term. First term 1000 is given. First T1 equal to same formula Tn equal to A R to the power n minus 1, that is A R, n equal to 1 means 1 minus 1, A R to the power 0. A is 1000, 1000 into 1 equal to 1000. So T2 equal to A R to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1 R to the power 1, that is R equal to 2 by 5. A is 1000. So 1000 into 2 by 5, you cancel it. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, so 200. 200 into 2, 400. T3 equal to A R to the power 3 minus 1, that is A R squared, that is 1000 into 2 by 5 whole squared. 2 squared, 5 squared, 25. So 125 is 25, 4 25s are 100, so 0, 40 into 4, 160. Therefore, the three terms are 1000, 400, 160. Third question. In a GP 729, 243, 81, find T7. So how will you find? First use the formula Tn equal to A R to the power n minus 1. Here A is 729. R is, we will find T2 by T1, that is 243 by 729. So you cancel with 9 table. 9 table means 2 9s are 18, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 1. Again you cancel it 9 table. 3 9s are 21, 9 9s are 81. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore we get it 1 by 3. So R equal to 1 by 3. So what we will find? T7. What formula? A R to the power n minus 1. That is A R to the power 7 minus 1. Here A is 729. Into 1 by 3 power 7 minus 1 means 6. So 1 by 3 into to the whole to the power 6. 3 to the power 6 means that is 1 by 3 to the power 6, 729 only. 1 by 3 to the whole to the power 6 means 1 by 729. So you cancel it 1 time. So answer is 1. So T7 is 1. Find x so that x plus 6, x plus 12 and x plus 15 are consecutive, means terms of a geometric progression. Consecutive means that is continuously. Therefore the first T1 is x plus 6, T2 is x plus 12 and T3 is x plus 15. Already given geometric progression. Therefore here T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. And that is x plus 12 by x plus 6, that is equal to x plus 15 by x plus 12, because given it is a geometric progression. So if we equalize means cross multiply. X plus 12 whole squared equal to x plus 6 into x plus 15. So this is nothing but a plus b whole squared, that is a squared plus 2 into x into 12 means 24x plus b squared means 144. X plus 6 into x plus 15, how will you multiply? X squared and x squared plus 15x plus 6x plus 90. So if you multiply 15x like term, so 15x plus 6x, that is 21x plus 90. So x squared both sides means we will cancel it. So x squared. So 24x plus 144. So here 24x. So right hand side 21x is there. You bring into left hand side equal to 90 minus 144. That is 24 minus 21x means 3x equal to minus 54. Therefore x equal to minus 54. This multiply will come to the right hand side divide. So divide 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24. Therefore x equal to minus 18 is the answer. Find the number of terms in the following G. Number of terms. So here given 4, 8, 16, etc. 8, 1, 9, 2. Here first term A4. So R equal to T2 by T1, that is 8 by 4 equal to 2. Here Tn equal to 8192. What is the Tn formula? A R to the power n minus 1. Here Tn given 8192 equal to A is 4, R is 2, 2 to the power n minus 1. We will find this n only. So 4 into, so we will interchange the left hand side and right hand side. So 4 into 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 8192. So here also you directly cancel or divide, that is your wish. So 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to here 8192 by 4. This also you can do it. So 4 cancel it, 2 4s are 8. Here you should Keep it in mind, here 1 is compared to that 4, that is small number, so you put it 0. After 4 4s are 16, 8 4s are 30. So 2048. So 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 2048 means 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 2048. You can do it prime factorization. Already you know that 212 is to 024, like that it will come. So 2 to the power 11 we get it. So base equal means power we equalize, that is n minus 1 equal to 11 means n equal to that minus 1 will go to the right hand side plus 1, so n equal to 2. Therefore number of terms 12. In a GP, 9th term is 32,805 and 6th term is 1,215. Find the 12th term. Here use this formula, Tn equal to AR to the power n minus 1. T9 value write it and T6 value also write it. We will find T12. So T9 is nothing but AR to the power 8. T6 equal to AR to the power 5. So 1, we will keep it this equation 1 and 2. So do it 1 by 2 means a r to the power 8 by a r to the power 5. A and a will cancel. So r to the power 8 by r to the power 5 equal to given value. So r to the power 8 by r to the power 5 means you use the rule a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus 1. Here r to the power 8 minus 5, we get it r cube. So and also you cancel it this with the 5 table. 2 5s are 10. 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15. Here also 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30 and 1. Here also you cancel it with 8 table, 3 table, 8 3s are 24, 1 3 is 3. Here you cancel it, 2 3 is 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24, 7. Here also cancel it, 9 table, 9 9s are 81 and 2 9s are 18, 38, 4 9s are 36 and 27 means 3 9s are 27. Here 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 7 9s are 63. Therefore r cube equal to 27, that is nothing but 3 to the power cube. So base equal means we will write it here base is not equal, power is equal. So r equal to 3. So substitute this r in the second equation. A r to the power 5 equal to 1215. So a we don't know. R means you substitute the value 3. 3 to the power 5 equal to 1215. So 1215 you prime factorization do it. You will get it this. 3 to the power 5 means 1215 by 3 to the power 5. So 1215, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 and divided by 3 to the power 5. So it will all cancel, you see, 1 3 is 3, 2 3 4 5. So remaining only 5 only. Therefore a equal to 5. So we will find T12 equal to a r to the power 11. A is 5, r is 3 to the power 11 is you multiply 3 into 3 into 11 times. So you get it this value, and after you multiply with the 5 you get it 8,85,735. This is T12 value. Thank you students. We will see in the next class continuous sums.